So here we have the beautiful 1976 Toyota Celica 2-litre ST liftback, going for the full body restoration. As you can see, James has been really busy in here today. He's got the etch primer on. It's been long in the waiting, this job, but got there in the end. You can see all the lines coming back into and out. This was going to be baking off for a bit, and then in a week or so we're going to be putting the top coat on. Nice thick lacquer, keeping it dry, make sure it carries on for another 40 odd years. Back end's coming, all messed up. I'm going to move on to the interior restoration next, and then all the trims, fittings, vents back on, etc. She's road legal now, so it won't be long. We're wet and windy West Wales at the minute, so we're going to hope for some drier weather and get the little baby out on the road. Hey, bye for now. Watch this space.